veterinarian, veterinarian. Photographer, photographer. Carpenter, carpenter. Journalist, journalist. Electrician, electrician. Flight attendant, flight attendant. Fashion designer, fashion designer. Judge, judge. Businessman, businessman. Waiter, waiter. Farmer, farmer. Professor, professor. Singer, singer.